you ever watched the crypto market and felt left out because you don't know how to start and you're not clear about the risk involved and you simply just have no experience? But what if I told you if you do not have to risk any own money and still start earning from cryptos? Yes, that's right. You can start investing in crypto with no money at all, and this no risk at all. I've negotiated a very special deal for you, which is solely available for my community. This exclusive deal with a top crypto exchange will give you $30 free trading bonus for their futurist grid bot so that you can make passively income, and even if you have no experiences about bots, because you can simply copy some AI strategies. All you need to do is check the link down below in the description and sign up using my link. Yes, it is important that you use my link because, as said, the deal is exclusively only for my community and you will not get it if you sign up just like that or with another link. Once you signed up, you need to do the KYC2 process. And in this video, I will walk you through the exact steps how you can actually get the $30, how you can get this futurist grid bot starting, and also I will explain you all the requirements and rules which we have when using this $30 free trading capital. So let's get started. Or actually, before we start, of course, the risk disclaimer as always. I'm not a financial advisor or similar. Please do your own research. Investing in crypto is always high risk, and especially if you're trading futures, which comes with leverage, you do have even higher risk of getting liquidated and this of a total loss. So kindly do your own research, do your own risk management. Now let me show you how it works in detail. First of all, as said, you have to register with the link down below in the description. It will lead you to the crypto exchange Pionex, which I am a big fan of, and I tested it already many months in depth before promoting it to you. So I'm really happy that Pionex agreed to a special deal to give you the $30 bonus solely for my community. So as said, Pionex is a crypto exchange, and as of now they have 16 crypto bots which we can use. They usually also run with AI strategies. If you want to, of course, you can adjust any strategy and setup as you want to. And another really cool thing about Pionex are the really low trading fees. So whenever we start any bot with Pionex, they are, as said, free to use. We only have to pay some trading fees, and those are 0.05% or even lower depending on your VIP status. This is really awesome. So in this video, I will show you how you can get the $30 bonus and start using Pionex for free. And by the way, I set up my own trading bot with the $30 and I already made 47% just within 4 days. And all the profits we are making with the bot are solely ours and can be withdrawn, even if you haven't deposited a single cent of your own money. Okay, so once you are registered, I totally suggest you to download the Pionex app because the Pionex app is having more bots, more features, and is just always up to date. The desktop app is working totally fine, but some bots or settings are not available on the desktop, so I do recommend you going with the mobile app. Once downloaded, just go to account, go to settings, and check your identity verification. And you will see Pionex is having 3 stages of identification and verification. The first is level 0, which actually means you cannot do anything on this platform. You cannot deposit, you cannot withdraw, and you cannot trade. The level 1 verification, however, just requires your full legal name and your country of residence. And you actually just have to submit this information without any proof. So it is really convenient, and after you are already able to deposit and trade, however, only depositing crypto is available, no fiat. If you want to increase, however, your withdrawal limits and you want to have the fiat access, you need to have level 2 verification. And level 2 verification is also required if you want to get the $30 deposit. Level 1 will not be enough if you want to get those $30 for free. For the level 2 verification, you need any government ID or passport along with some address proof and facial recognition using your mobile phone cam. And right after, in your accounts tab, you will then find after 1 day that your Pionex bonus has been received. In case you already have some bots set up, you need to scroll down a little, but you will find it above your spot wallet, but below your crypto bots. Please note that the Pionex bonus is a manual process. It's no automation, and you usually have to wait until next day 9 a.m. German time, so Central European time, before it actually is distributed. It is a manual process, and so it may vary from the time you actually get it, but usually the very next day it should be there. After, just simply click on it and you will get some of the rules and regulations which you need to confirm, and then you can already click on AI strategies to copy them. Or you can first of all select which crypto pairs you actually want to trade. With Pionex, you're also able to trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, and this multiply your Bitcoins or Ethereum or whatever. However, your bonus is in USDT, so your base currency need to be USDT as well. Now, in my example, I want to go with Sushi and USDT. And right on, you can decide if you want to go long, short, or neutral. Depends on how you decide how the market currently is developing. I'm totally long and bullish. So right now, all my future grid bots are only bullish. But of course, no financial advice. It's totally up to you. You can then decide if you want to go with 5x, 10x, or 15x leverage, depending on your risk tolerance. If you are new to Futurist, I highly recommend you to go with a 5x only. However, if you want a more profit and more risk are okay for you, and you know what you are doing, 15x is fine as well. So in this example, I will go with a 15x Sushi long bot, because 5x is actually not possible with Sushi right now. Because of the minimum investment, it's just too high. And this is pretty simply explained. The lower the leverage is, the more own capital and investment do we need in order to get a bot running. If we have a higher leverage, we do not need that much own money. So for example, as you can see, the minimum investment for 5x Sushi USDT bot right now would be 142 USD. With a 15x, however, it is only 8.5 USDT. However, with the 15x, it's only 8.48 USDT. So we can use the 15x to get the bot started. Depending on the coin pair you are choosing, you can also use an X5, of course. But it usually depends on the strategy, of course, but also on the token price. So if you're choosing a token which has a high price, usually above $10, $15, a 5x might not be possible, or you need to reduce the grids. Which means you could also say you are not satisfied and you want to change things. Then you can reduce the grids or increase the grids. You can set up a take profit or stop loss, or choose the grid mode. I do not want to adjust anything, so I'm fine. I could simply click on create and confirm the bot. And that's it. Your copy bot is now all set up and is running for you. Before I'll explain to you the exact rules and requirements you have when using the bonus bot, because there are definitely some things to consider so that you do not lose your bonus. So first, I will show you some settings you can see and some information you can see in the bot to show you what is actually possible with just $30 investment. So here I have set up the Uni USDT Futurist Grid bot just 5.5 days ago, and it already made me more than 67% profit. Now we can check the details and you will see the grid profits already created, the unrealized profit. We are currently in a floating profit, but the grid is not yet closed. You will see the latest price, the price range in which your bot is actually running. And as soon as the price is outside of the range, of course, you need to adjust the price range or you need to pause the bot. I do not recommend to stop the bot, because if you are using a bonus bot and you stop the bot, the bonus will be returned to Pionex and you cannot open a new bot with the bonus, even if your bot was in profit. Then you can also see your extra margin, which in my case is like $12 or $12.50. And this extra margin can be adjusted anytime you want to. And this actually means that your estimated liquidity price will go down and it will be much more secure. However, with the bonus bot, you are not able to increase the investment. So for $30 is a fixed amount, but you can increase the margin. And then on placed, you can see all the orders which have been placed along with the buy and sell orders. You can see all the transactions and the grids, they already closed. So you can see my grid bot already made more than 200 rounds within just those 5 days and much more orders, as you can see. And then you also have the parameters which you can adjust. The price range, as we discussed, you can adjust the grids if you want to, and also some take profit or trigger price. Now let's check the rules of your $30 bonus trading capital. First of all, the bonus is only available for any user registered with my link, which you find down below in the description. As said, it is extra negotiated just for my community. So if you just sign up with Pionex or you already have an account, you will unfortunately not get this bonus. Once you signed up, you need to do the KYC. Without KYC 2, there's no bonus. KYC 1 is not enough. After that, just wait up to 1 day. The next day, you should have your bonus in your wallet. The bonus can only be used for futurist grid bots. They cannot be used for normal futurist trading or any other bots, no spot trading, no DCA bots, only futurist grid bots. When starting your own futurist grid bot using the bonus, these $30 are a fixed amount. You cannot reduce or increase the investment even if you want to top up some money yourself. So these $30 bots is just one bonus bot. If you want to top up more, of course you can do more, but you need to create another bot for that to use it with your real money. Each of the bonus bots, they do have a stop loss automatically filled, which when you are creating a bot with your own money, it will not have a stop loss by default, but the bonus bots have it. And it will automatically be used once the stop loss price hits, and then the bot will stop running. You cannot, as said, increase the prices with your own money in case the minimum investment is not met for a bot. However, what you can do while creating the bot, you can remove this auto reserve tick, and it will reduce the minimum investment. So as you can see, now we have a minimum investment of 8.4 USDT. If we remove this tick, our minimum invest goes down to 5. And this is because the bot will then have no extra margin, but the extra margin, which also increases your liquidity price and this your risk. However, you can have now an actual invest of $30. And then you can create margin or add margin with real money, which is possible. Just the actual invest cannot be done with real money if you're using the bonus bot. What happens if your bonus bot is making loss? And there you do not have to worry. Just once the stop loss is triggered, you got liquidated, then the bonus or whatever is left will go back to Pionex, and you do not have to pay them the loss or anything. You are just good to go, and you can try some other bots or maybe even spot trading or other futurist grid bots with your own real money. You do not have to repay. If the bot is making profit, however, you cannot get the $30 bonus capital and withdraw it, but you can withdraw the profits anytime. Just go to your bot, click on more, and then you can click on redeem profit, and everything in there you can totally withdraw anytime you want to. If for whatever reason you do not want to have the bot anymore, you can again click on more and you can pause the bot and wait until the market changes or whatever reason you have to stop the bot. But really only pause the bot. If you stop the bot with this red button here, then the $30 bonus will also be returned to Pionex and you have no option to create another bot with the $30, even if you have been in profit. So the $30 profit is bot bound. Do not stop the bot, just pause it if there's need to. Or adjust the settings, what I already showed you how you can do this. And we'll definitely do an update video going in depth what the settings are, what I personally do, what it actually means for your trading profits. We will definitely do an update video on that. So if you do not want to miss it, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you have any questions to Pionex, the futurist grid bots, or any other bots in Pionex, feel free to drop it in the comments or join my Telegram community. There you will also get short-term support not only from me, but you will also get answers from a Pionex team member, which I invited to my Telegram community, so that we can get the best answers and short-term answers for any questions you have about Pionex or even any other investment opportunity which I am currently using. Last but not least, there's one other important requirement. If you are getting the bonus, you have a maximum of 7 days time before the bonus returns to Pionex, which actually means within those 7 days, you not only have to set up a bot, but the bot also has to make their very first trade. If not, as said, the bonus will return to Pionex. There's no way to get the bonus back. So just make sure your bot is set up within this time. And if the first trade is made, there is no time limit anymore. But as long as the bot is running and not got liquidated, you can make profits out of this $330. If you are using any AI strategy, then the bot will surely make the first trade within the same hour and not just one trade probably. However, if you're doing your own settings, just make sure that you didn't do any mistakes and that they do set a trade on time. That's it for now. Do not forget, if you want to learn more about Pionex and the settings, how Future Grids actually works, then subscribe to my channel. Video is following soon, and I do have another instruction video about Pionex DCA bots already. You can check it out.